Stop losing money on laptops. Turn every purchase into an investment. I'm Ilya Trudeau, founder of Illiputer Tech Company, and I'm pioneering the world's first customer ownership business model that you, as a customer, you're going to become automatically the co-owner of Illiputer, or you're going to become an investor when you want to make a purchase at Illiputer. What kind of computers do we have? We have our own made, Illiputer made computers that we have here, and also you can buy laptops, other computer products from other brands, because we are doing both our own computer brands, products, and also from all other brands. Here, you don't need to go pay money and buy laptop. It is wrong. You should stop at this moment. Why? Because we have developed a new business model that we call it customer ownership business model. I'm going to here teach you a little bit in depth that you understand. What do I mean? Look, with the traditional business model, you go pay money, pay. When you pay, you lose your money, right? And you receive one laptop, let's say this is a laptop, and that's all, every day, every time that goes. You lose money on your product that you have bought. And if you want to sell it, they will buy for a lower price. For cheap, it will be too cheap. But you buy expensive. This is the first case. The second, you have no ownership or you receive no benefits from those companies that you pay them, that you love them, you don't receive anything from them. From their profits, from their growth, that you support them. You are just outsider, you're just here, outsider, and the company is here. This is a big problem. You're losing money. So here, stop this. Why? Be here. I'm going to dive into our business model. At Illiputer, when you pay money, it's directly an investment. Let's say you want to buy 3 laptops for yourself, for your partner, and for one of your child. Here you have 3 laptops. You're going to pay, let's say each laptop is $1,000. Okay? You're going to pay $3,000. And now your money at Illiputer is an investment. Illiputer is going to issue you shares officially based on your total amount, based on the $3,000. Okay? And you're going to have the stocks of the company, 3,000 stocks. Let's say each share is €1. Okay? And now you're going to also receive the products, let's say the laptops here, either from Illiputer or from other brands. Worldwide, you're going to receive also the computers for free. The laptops will be delivered to you for free. But why is it free? If you are here, the money that you paid for a company is an investment. It is investing, okay? And you're receiving the stocks of the company. In fact, you bought shares of the company with that money that you wanted to spend on, let's say, buying the laptops. But here, you invested at Illiputer, you received the stocks of the company, and now Illiputer is going to deliver to you the laptops that you want. This is real, people. This is what I'm doing. I'm here in front of a camera, I'm sitting, I'm explaining this to you, that you understand this. Really, to take action, not to lose money. Instead of losing money, let's give hands all together, build wealth. Look, this business model is an innovation. It is invention, in fact. You waited for this business model for a long time. Now the time has come to take action. I personally, as an entrepreneur and founder of Illiputer, I created this, and now I'm showing you what we are doing. But it's up to you now to ask your questions. Let me know what is your concern. If you are worried about, let me know. If you think it is a scam, from now I say you, really, it is completely people official. It is not a scam, it is official. And if you have any other questions, please let me know. If you have recommendations, please let me know. Also, you can put your comments under this video, or you can send email to support@illiputer.com. You can go illiputer.com, check our website. You can write your emails, you can contact us, and also you can watch the other videos that we have will pop up here or here for more information. Love you all till the next one.